The next one, page 277. Question number 2, build your skills. And I want you to read this question. This is not a straightforward math question. It's a worded problem. So please read it first. Says Brent is a surveyor. He has been hired by city planners who are developing a park within the city. They want to build a bridge over a pond so that a walking trail can be installed. Brent collects the following measurements. What is the length of the pond from A to B? And you will see maybe 1 or 2 questions like this in your exam, the application problems. So this is the pond, and he wants to measure the width of the pond from this point to that point. So if you draw a line and you label this point as A and this point as B, the pond width is AB, right? And there is another point here, you call it C, and you can complete a triangle. So you can now look at this triangle ABC. This is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. And the measures are given. This side is given as 152 centimeters. This side is same, 152 centimeter.
Meters.
Oh, sorry, meters. Should be meters. Centimeters, very small. And this angle is 80 degrees. So you have to find how much is this. Okay, first of all, label the sides. If that is angle B, what will be this side called? Small b. If this is angle A, this will be small a. And angle C means this side will be C. You have to find small c. That is the question. Can you use sine law to solve it? No, because you don't know these angles. To use sine law, you need to know at least 2 angles and a side. You only know 1 angle, right? Just for you, I'll just review it. If you want to use the sine law, you can use it this way. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. Now you have to use 4 of them, and 3 of them must be known. If you go with this, do you know angle A? No, you can't. You have this thing unknown, but side length A is known, so you know this. Angle B is unknown, you don't know this, but you know the side length B. And angle C is known, but you don't know this side length. So let us say you want to use this part. How many unknowns are there?
2.
2, right?
Yeah.
Can you use it?
No.
No. If you want to use this, how many unknowns are there?
2.
2. You can't use it because this is unknown, this is unknown, right? And if you want to use these 2, how many unknowns are there?
2.
Again 2. You can't use the sine law. If you had just 1 unknown and 3 knowns, then you could use the sine law. That means you will have to go with the cosine law to solve this problem. Okay, so let's solve this by cosine law. And because now we are solving the side length C, so you will have to use one of these formulas. And it's pretty easy to use because the formula is already written for A, B and C. So you will use the third formula because you have to find C. So rewrite this formula. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of angle C. And then put in the values. C square is equal to A is given as 152 square, plus B is also 152 square, minus 2 times 152 times 152 times cos of 80 degrees. because angle C is 80 degrees. You can solve this to find C square.
Okay, I'm getting,
What?
I did that, and I got 38 to 184.06. I don't know.
38,
184,
yeah,
06.
06. Okay, and what will be C? You have to square root it. Got it?
No.
Why?
No, man, I'm lost.
195.4.
Okay.
Is that how it's supposed to go?
Yeah.
So 152
Square.
square.
Well, you can use this shortcut for square. You don't have to do that. 152 square plus 152 square minus
This one?
2 times 152 times 152 times cos 80 equals 38 184.06. That's what we got there.
Oh, then I did it right.
Yeah. And then you find the square root of this. What was your answer?
195.4.
195.4 meters. So that means the pond width is 195.4 meters.
No, I didn't know there was square root involved.
Sorry?
I didn't know there was square root there.
Because this is C square. You have to find C, right? If it's C square, how will you find C square? That is C. You got the same answer?
Yes.
Okay. So that's an example of a worded problem. You will see maybe 2 or 3 questions like this in your exam. They're pretty easy. You just need to understand it. So you can apply all these things. Okay, I want to give you the quick review of what you are doing during the next week, because I will be away except for the Tuesday. We will have one more class Tuesday. We will finish this unit, and then you do 2 assignments. And the assignments are already there in this. I will show you where they are.